Welcome back. Time now for the business day. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market with another $30 million US dollar today in order to help stabilize the dollar, which fell to an all-time low of $161.89 yesterday. Although the IMF says it must stop intervening in the market so frequently, the central bank has now drawn down $590 million US dollars from the NIR to prop up the dollar since the start of this year. This is the 22nd time since the start of this year that the BOJ has intervened in the foreign exchange market. The $30 million US dollar pumped into the market today was, however, way below the amount demanded by authorized foreign exchange dealers and cambios. The central bank received 40 bids valued at $70 million US dollars, but it accepted only 16 of these bids for the $30 million US dollars it pumped into the market. As competition in the financial sector intensifies, VM Investment Limited is betting on diversification and digital innovation to strengthen its reach, making it easier for Jamaicans in the diaspora to do business. More in this report.
VM Investments Limited says diversification is critical at this stage of its growth as the company builds new revenue streams while strengthening its traditional business lines. Resworth Burchison is the CEO of the company.
Because we see an opportunity to grow the organization in the private equity space. We believe that there are a number of well-run businesses that need access to capital, that need access to governance, and we can provide same. We have done a number of such investments in the past. And in Kingston Properties, which is a growing real estate platform, they're expanding across the region.
This comes at a time when the company says new products are in the pipeline for both Jamaican and regional investors.
As soon as we get all the requisite regulator approvals, we can share those soon.
Among the new initiatives is a digital onboarding platform tailored for the Jamaican diaspora, aimed at making it easier for overseas Jamaicans to invest and do business locally.
For example, they've always said, hey, how do we engage with the business without the need to engage with a human? So, for example, one of the reasons why we did our CMS platform is that those members are used to certain level of sophistication in those markets. And how did we respond? We responded with our client management system. They have also said the account opening process is very tedious, and pretty soon we'll be able to indicate to those members the launch of our online platform or onboarding platform, so we can open an account without the need to come to Kingston.
Meanwhile, Deputy CEO Brian Fraser says as the VML widens its reach, the company is taking a proactive approach to manage challenges in the investor market and safeguard its growth strategy.
We provide them with access to all the major asset classes in Jamaica, bonds or fixed income, equities, and also money market investments. We also provide them with exposure through our unit trust to real estate. And in addition to provide them with opportunities to invest locally, we also provide them with opportunity to invest overseas, whether it's in US bonds or in the US stock market.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
The JSE index declined by 931 points, while the junior market index advanced by 7 points. The winners include Paramount Trading, ISP Finance Services, Margaritaville Turks, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Mayberry Group. The losers include Pulse Investments, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, VM Investments, First Rock Real Estate Investments, and JMMB Group Limited 8.50% US dollar shares, 23 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.41. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.08. The pound is going for $215.94, while the euro is selling for an average $190.46. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.